It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in the Zuniga house. Hi YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. How is your day going today? Let me know in the comments. Are you having a good day? Are you having a bad day? Do you feel like venting? If not, here's just a little hug. And let's unbox a FabFitFun box! So I have not done one of these in a while. So this is 2019's winter box. As you could tell by the title of this video, this is unsponsored, not the PR version. I paid for this. So I paid $179.99 last year to get all 4 seasonal boxes. They do come out with a box in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. And gosh, I want to say the last unboxing I did was spring. Whichever one was my previous unsponsored, un-PR FabFitFun box review, I will link up here as well as in the description box under videos mentioned. And then underneath that, I'll also link just my unboxings playlist in general. I've done BoxyCharm, I've done BoxyLuxe, I've done Beautylicious Lucky Bag for 2 years now, which, I'm so torn, you guys. Should I buy it this year? Spoiler alert, I wasn't too impressed with last year. I'll pop that video up here if you want to know all the details. But I don't know, maybe I'll buy it this year just to kind of show to you guys, and then maybe I'll sell some of the products I don't want on my Poshmark to get some of my money back, because I am more on a budget this year than I was last year. So anyways, there are a couple options to get this box. So one option, you can pay just the one-time box full price. I think it's like $49.99. What I did the first time I tried the box is, I want to say it was Haley Reese. I think I used her code, but any big YouTuber who is sponsored or works with FabFitFun, they'll have a coupon code for you to get the box $10 off. So you can potentially get it for $39.99. You can purchase all 4 boxes in advance for a little bit off. I think it comes to like $45 a box if you do it that way. But you do get extra perks. I think you get your box a little bit earlier than just an average I'm gonna buy the one box buyer. And then you also get to customize a lot more. So in my opinion, that is so worth it if you have the $179.99 to drop. I know that is so much money. Another option is, so anybody, like any average Joe, like you can do this too. If you sign up with FabFitFun, you can do like a friend sharing code. So in the description box, I will link my personal code that I got. And if you use it, you do get a free mini box, which is going to be valued at least $150 along with the winter box. So basically, yeah, if you use the code in the description box, I think you'll have to pay the $49.99 for the box, but then you will also get that additional surprise mini box, which if one of you uses it for the first time, I get that box too. So I'm gonna be honest, I kind of want somebody to use it just because I want to see what's in that box. But do not feel obligated to do that. If you want to save the extra $5 and not get the mini box and use like a big YouTuber's code, you can do that. I actually did reach out to FabFitFun, I think last year, and I really did want to work with them, because if you've seen my previous boxes that I've paid for them all, I love it. I don't remember which one, the summer or fall box, I was like, it wasn't like my favorite, but you always get value. Out of all the boxes I've tried, this is still my favorite. So I really did want to work with them. Like, I love working with companies that I would spend my own money on, that I think is bomb anyways, but they didn't want to work with me. I am pretty small, so I understand. But anyways, shut up, Julia. You guys want to see what's in the box. So you get a little magazine. These little magazines they come out with are actually pretty cool. They have little articles. They have ways to use some of the products. They have some recipes, so that's pretty cool. They always give out a HelloFresh coupon. Okay, so some of these items I did get to choose. And the items that I get to choose, I will put a screenshot somewhere on the screen of the options I had. But let's get into the items that everybody got. So the first thing is the original makeup eraser. This retails at $20 and it says, from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water, which the claims of that are crazy. It says to wash 1 to 2 times per week. It's antibacterial, lasts 3 to 5 years. So this is a nice option if you want like a sustainable way to remove your makeup. I'm just a skincare junkie, and I do love my cleansers. I think if I wasn't a YouTuber and didn't have a lot of skincare and cleansers to test out, like for an everyday person who just, you know, you wear your light amount of makeup, take it off at the end of the day, this is really cool. If you have tried this, let me know in the comment section if it works. But I think I'm gonna give this to somebody for Christmas, which this box is perfect for that. I'm somebody who I love stocking up on gifts. That way when it's somebody's birthday or something like that, or Christmas, I have my own little store of products that I can pick and, oh, this person would like this, or I feel like this person would like this. So you'll notice throughout this box that a lot of the products, especially some of the ones I chose, I specifically got for Christmas presents. So anyways, this is pretty cool. Next item everybody got was the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. That's another thing with a lot of subscription boxes is they like heavily inflate the value price with brands that maybe aren't necessarily well known, which that doesn't mean that the products don't work, but just in general, lesser known companies don't have as much of a value as companies like Dry Bar that are established and well known. I don't know if that makes any sense, but basically what I'm trying to say is Dry Bar is a legit brand. Its retail price is $23. I'm actually gonna keep this for myself. As much as I want to give this as a gift, I'm like, ugh, I have really been needing a heat protectant spray. It says right here protects up to 450 degrees. It's got biotin in it, vitamins B and C, UV blockers. It's got sea berry oil, which protects your hair against that heat. I'm so excited to try this out. Oh my gosh, I'll open it later, but this item is just what I've been needing actually. The next item in my box, you could have gotten one of two things. So everybody either got this item or it looks like a Thirsty Hand mask duo, which I'm actually really glad I got this. So this is the Cusio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. It's a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. So now this retail price is $39.95, and the other option, the Thirsty Hands, would have been $16. I'm glad I got this, but to be honest, I think this is one of those items that the price I feel like is a little inflated for what this is, and I don't know, for me personally it's not like a popular brand that I'm familiar with. It could very well be and I'm just not in the up and up. But I've actually been wanting to try a new body wash as well, so I think I'm gonna keep this one as well. Let's take a smell. Oh, and I love the smell of lavender. That smells really good. The next items were something that everybody gets to choose. So even if you just got the standard, Jussie's watching Penelope, by the way. But even if you just got the standard $49.99 box, you do get to choose. So the choices will be up on the screen, but I chose the R&Co Television Shampoo and Conditioner. I always say RC and Co for some reason. And these retail for $64, which again, this is a well-known brand, so a really, really good deal. And I'm actually really excited to try these. Oh gosh, these I'm keeping for myself as well because I really want to start trying to use paraben and sulfate free shampoo and conditioner. If you guys saw my video about my postpartum hair loss, I'll link it up here. Right now I am trying out the Hair Burst shampoo and conditioner, but this will be nice to have a backup once I use up that. Gosh, I feel like I'm keeping everything so far in this box. Now we're on to another item that everybody got to choose, and I picked the Erno Laszlo New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I don't know, I'm so torn if I should keep this, give it away, or throw it on my Poshmark. I'm so torn. This says, distressed skin calls for powerful measures. This hydrating, detoxifying mask is the perfect antidote to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. Face feels brand new, smoother, more even toned and glowing. Okay, that makes me want to keep this. Oh, I'm torn. I don't know, but either way, this is such a good item. Again, this brand is very expensive, pretty well known, and this retails for $48. Next item, again, everybody got a chance to choose what they wanted, and I actually it was my dog that scared me. The mailman must be here. But I actually picked this one up for someone in particular. I got the Adore by Swarovski organic circle bracelet. It says available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. So if it's sold in Nordstrom and Bloomingdale's, I'm like, okay, this is a legit brand. But this retails for $39. And I actually picked this out for my stepmom for Christmas. I saw it and I was just like, oh my gosh, Jen would like that. And it's a really nice, classy piece of jewelry. She does like jewelry that I could never afford to pay $39 just for one person's Christmas present. Both Jesse and I have huge families, so we love to give everybody a nice, quality, thoughtful gift without breaking the bank. The next item is one that specifically the seasonal members get to choose. So if you do buy all 4 boxes in one pop, that $179.99. This one I actually specifically chose for my grandma. I picked the Ahava Dead Sea Salt Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts. But it says, immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters in the comfort of your own bath. The minerals help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. It retails for $16. Again, this is a really good brand. I've gotten another product in a FabFitFun box. I think it was last winter's box. And this brand always has amazing reviews. My grandma obviously is older and has aches and pains. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, maybe this is something she can try. Take a nice bath. I don't know. I just like getting her different products she can try for her pain. So she's getting this for Christmas. And the last item, again, was only customizable to those who purchased all 4 boxes at once. And this one is totally worth choosing because, I don't know, I feel like the other choices, they're up on the screen right now. They weren't bad. Like, they had a really cute floral planner, but I am just so impressed that they have the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $38. I just recently saw this brand in Ulta the other day, and I think this is that brand that, I don't know, was in that controversy with Huda Beauty where Huda Beauty copied their powder idea or something like that. But anyways, their products are just so appealing. Like Beauty Bakery, I just think that is the cutest theme ever. So, and you guys, this is a beautiful palette. Like, how cute. The packaging's adorable. The theme's adorable. You have little bananas. These are gonna be your perfect neutrals. Oh my gosh. These are totally like my go-to everyday colors. Now, again, I'm so torn with this item because I do really wanna try the brand Beauty Bakery. I love this palette, but at the same time, I'm really trying to be a little bit more minimalistic with my makeup. I did just sell a bunch of my palettes on my Poshmark to make money because I did just buy the Tati and Shane Dawson palette, which if I wasn't a YouTuber, I probably would have only bought one, if that, because they both are pretty pricey. But I wanted to review them for you guys, which I do have reviews. I will link one of them up here and then both in the description box. But anyways, oh, I'm so torn what to do with this item as well. I want to dip into this so bad, but then at the same time, it's like I have so many palettes with these colors. I don't know, but maybe this formula is like to die for, and then I can get rid of the other palettes. Oh, I'm so torn. But either way, I think this is the most impressive item in the box for me personally. Comment down below what you think is the best item that I got in my box. So overall stats. My particular box retailed at $238.95, which I saved $193.95, and our savings percentage is at 81.17%, which I think is bomb. And I honestly have to say, most of the brands I got in my box were well-known brands. I think the only brand that I can honestly say I think is a little inflated is the hand and body wash, which again, I may just be clueless and this may be a legit brand, who knows, but I really don't think that value number is super off. Little recap, we have the Ahava Sea Bath Salt, we have the Dry Bar Prep Rally Detangler Heat Spray, the R&Co Shampoo and Conditioner, we have the Makeup Eraser, the Adore Swarovski Crystal Jewelry Bracelet, we have the Erno Laszlo Mask, that hand and body wash, and the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. So for $45, I'm blown away. I know how cheesy this sounds, and I feel like everybody says this, but I can genuinely say I think this is one of the best boxes so far. I just don't have anything bad to say, unfortunately. Sorry if you guys wanted some tea. Sorry if you wanted to hear ranting. I just am really impressed. So anyways, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to come watch this video. If you found this video helpful and could do me a huge favor, if you could share this video with somebody you think find it helpful, anyone you've heard kind of talking about FabFitFun and like, oh, is it really legit? That would help me out so much. I'm sending you off with a big warm hug. Make sure you are officially a part of my YouTube family and subscribed if you're not. And I will catch you guys in my next video.